Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? I am on the outside and I'm about to boil some crab. Yeah? So these are the seasoning, pure earth seasoning, guys, that I'm going to use in it. I'm also going to use a cock soup, just to kick up the spice a little and thing. We also going to use some green banana. These are some young green banana over here. Yeah? We're going to mark them and drop them in the pot. Anyways, I'm not going to tell you everything that I'm going to do. Just stay with me, guys. Stay tuned. And you're going to see everything we are going to happen. Yeah? Remember, if you hear any noise, any dog barking, any bird chirping, any fly flying around, guess what, guys? I am on the outside. Outside. So let's get a rundown of the crab them now. Watch this. Follow me. So yes, guys, as I tell you, see the crab them there? Land crab. And crab are sweet. Them one here wash and waiting to go in the pot. Them one here don't clean up, guys. I'm going to show you how we clean up our land crab before we eat it, yeah? Let me zoom in, make you see how clean them is. No mud, no depend them. You see them? Watch the crab crawl out. How I go on here, so? Crab run for him life. Alright, here what? We're teach you how to clean up your land crab before you eat it. That's the first thing you're supposed to do. So here what? Stay with me, guys. Come over here, so now. Follow me, go over here. So guys, this is where the crab them washing. Try take him up now. You're gonna see him a fight. Cause him know him a go get washed next, cause him don't know say him a go get cook. Yeah? So I'm going to show you how you wash the crabs them, guys, before you eat them. Yeah? These are the first thing you do. And the next thing again, when them crab here dead, you have to throw them away. You cannot eat them. You have to cook them here live. Yeah? So you need an old toothbrush, or you can just buy a new toothbrush. It depends. If you don't have an old one, and you're going to use it and brush them. You're going to turn them over. Yeah, as you see the young man is doing here in the video. And you brush away, brush all the dirt, the debris, anything at all that is on it. Watch your boy, you see more lamp on the toothbrush? Yeah, man. And make sure you hold them in the back. Hold them, yeah, in them back. Yeah, behind them eyes where them can't see nothing. But anyways, I'm going to try use them thing there to try to hold them claw. Yeah, we try hold it, but as long as you hold them good, you know them now will get the chance to do that. So yeah, guys, this is how you clean up your crab. Yeah, man. So here what happen now? In a pot we go throw them now, enough. So don't go nowhere now. Don't go nowhere, stay with me. And if your water get dirty, you change it. Yeah? When we finish wash it, guys, we just go so booms, slide that, and we toss him in, yeah? So watch your boy try get away. Watch that. In a pot them are going to watch them. Them know so them are going to get eaten. So them are try climb out, but that now go on right here now, yeah? So guys, I'm going to spice up the pot. Water well hot. So I have some scallion, garlic, pimento, thyme. And you know Scotch bonnet pepper, we can't leave that also. I'm gonna toss all of that in the pot right here. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm going to put my cock soup. Whoa, the pepper started kick up already. I'm going to put my cock soup just to kick up the spice, turn it up some more and things. I don't know the Scotch bonnet pepper spice up the thing, you know. But you know we want the spice turn up more in the thing. Yeah, man. So water well hot for crab going now, guys. We're going to go ahead now and we're going to dash in some salt in our pot. Yeah. So guys, the seasoning well boil out and everything in the water. So here what now. Crab are go in the pot now. So stay tuned. In the pot with them. Pot. In the pot. And make sure to turn them on them belly. Yeah? Them boy can't come out, man, because guess what? The pot too deep. Yeah. So guys, this is our banana, our young green banana that we're going to boil with the crab right now. So, you know, you do it regular like when you peel your banana, and you mark your banana if you peel your banana. Yeah man, so here now we're going over to the pot with this. So stay with me guys. Follow me over to the pot. So I'm going to toss that in the pot as well. And you don't know when you boil your banana in the skin, you know it more better. And that me grow up here. I'm going to tell you a little secret there too guys. You know, or a little life story. I wouldn't say secret, a little life story growing up. My mother used to do this for my father. Boil the banana in the crab pot. Yeah? We never used to eat it, you know. My brother them and I never used to eat it because we never like the taste of it. We never like the taste of the banana when it boils in the skin. Yeah, and if you all should talk the truth, not for you don't like the banana when it boils in the skin, but you know, I grew up here that it is more healthier to boil the banana in the skin. But as little youth growing up and little children growing up, you know, we never really like that. But see me here now, big adult and come and do it. This was one of my father dish. This is what my mother used to do whenever time my father go and catch crab. Yeah? So guys, I am checking on my crab. Pot of bubble. Bubble pot of bubble. And guess what? We're on the outside and we are listening some smoothing music. You know them long time music here? Smoothing to the soul. To the body and the soul. Crab day. Today is a crab day, guys. Yeah, man. When this done, we get way in this. Woo! So we're gonna make it boil some more. So here we are. Yes, my peeps. Crab finished boil now. So we're going to dive into some of this now. We're having a crab feast round at the backyard here. So, you know, outside. But you don't know what happened now, guys. Really miss my father. Yeah, man. I really miss him because he would sit down and eat some crab with us, you know. Yeah, man. Miss him when he touch them time. I not even say touch them time, but yeah, man. I always miss him, but especially when, you know, the things that you know you and your father used to do together. Yeah. When them time of year there come around and the month drop in, yeah, man, you just start feel a little vibes I take you over. But don't know the things set still, you know, we not come here to stay forever still, but so you go. There you have it, guys, our boiled crab. You see how these crab look clean? Because we brush them, thoroughly brush them before we cook them. Yeah? So go ahead and like the videos, guys. Share the video, guys. So I am going to dive into some of this now with our boiled green banana. That I have cooked in the crab. And this is nice. Share up the videos, guys. Share up the video. Alright, guys, so I'm going to show you how you eat your boiled green banana with your crab. This is what my dad, after my dad do, right? Peel off the banana, right? Banana broke up. It's still good, it's all good. Wipe it in the back here. Mmm. 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 Yeah? Mmm. You want me, guys? Some crab eating fessa going around here, so. Let me show you something. This is one. That is the next one right there, so. Past the one there. This is the next one right here, so. Yeah, young man have him boil banana and him crab and get down in it. No, sir. This is my own. I'm going to dive into this right now.